Let's talk about the latest launched Oppo smartphone Find X8s with unique aesthetic and peak texture design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5K AMOLED display, with 6.32 inches Full HD, plus punch hole display, resolution of 1216 by 2640 pixels, approximately 94.80% screen to body ratio, approximately 460 ppi pixel density, 1600 nits high brightness mode, Dolby Vision, HDR, Vivid, HDR10 plus color quality support, 120Hz refresh rate, and with double-sided crystal shield glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 24mm wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel 85mm 3.5x optical zoom telephoto camera with aperture 2.8 and support optical image stabilization, and with 50 megapixel 15mm ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.0 and co-developed with Hasselblad color calibration. For selfies it has 32 megapixel 21mm centered punch hole front-facing camera with aperture 2.4, video recording maximum 4K at 30/60 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 15 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.73 GHz. Single-core Cortex-X 925 plus 3.3 GHz tri-core Cortex-X4 plus 2.4 GHz quad-core Cortex A720, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9400 plus, 3nm chipset, paired with MOTOROLA G925 MC12 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12GB, 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB. 512GB, 1TB of UFS 4.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 150.59 by 71.82 by 7.73, 7.79 millimeters, and it weighs around 179 grams. And the color options: Hoshino black, moonlight white, cherry blossom pink, island blue colors too. See in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5700 mAh battery with 80-watt wired super flash fast charging, 50-watt flash wireless charging, 10-watt wireless reverse charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers. Support, USB Type-C charging port, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant, infrared remote control support, and with multifunction NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Oppo Find X8s has been priced in China for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 4,199 Chinese yuan, while 16GB plus 256GB storage variant at 4,399 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 4,699 Chinese yuan, while the 16GB plus 512GB storage variant at 4,999 Chinese yuan, while the 16GB plus 1TB storage variant at 5,499 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so, what do you guys think of this Oppo Find X8s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.